Hello, today we're going to be performing a cereal dilution experiment. The stock solution consists of instant coffee, and every other glass has 9 milliliters of water. We're going to be putting 1 milliliter of the instant coffee into the other 9 milliliters of water, creating a total of 10 milliliters. And as we progress in the experiment, the concentration of coffee will decrease. To start off this experiment, we're going to be taking 1 milliliter of our stock solution, which is our instant coffee, placing it into a glass that has 9 milliliters of water. Now it has 10 milliliters altogether. This has a 1 to 10 cereal dilution, also known as 10 to the negative 1 or 0.1. 1 milliliter of that cup would go into the next cup, which is known as a 1 to 100 cereal dilution, 10 to the negative 2 or 0.01. 1 milliliter of that cup will progress to the next cup, and it will be a total of 10 milliliters in that cup, 1 to the 100th cereal dilution, or 10 to the negative third, or 0.001. 1 milliliter of that will go into the next cup, our 1 to 10,000 ratio, 10 to the negative 4, also known as 0.0001. And lastly, we'll be taking 1 milliliter of that cup, putting into the last cup, which creates a 1 to 100,000th ratio, 10 to the negative 5, also known as 0.00001. And with this, our experiment is concluded. Now we'll be working on the equations. In order to calculate the concentration, you must multiply the number of colonies that you found on your plate times the dilution factor, and then when we get that answer, we divide all of that by the volume that's plated on our plates, and that is going to be in milliliters. So for my example, my plate grew 75 colonies. The dilution factor is the reciprocal of the dilution equation. So if it's 1 over 10,000, the dilution factor would just be 10,000, because the reciprocal of that is 10,000 over 1, which anything over 1 just equals the number itself. So you'll multiply 75 colonies times 10,000, all of that over 0.1 milliliters. The answer you'll get is 7,500,000, and that in scientific notation is 7.5 times 10 to the 6th CFUs over milliliters, because don't forget to bring down your units. And the exponent is positive, not negative, because the number is exponentially big and we're making it smaller versus going in the opposite direction. So your final answer will be 7.5 times 10 to the negative 6 CFUs over milliliters. Thank you.